So I decided to build the LEGO Diagon Alley mock modular Weasley's Wizard Wheezes by Ministry of Making, and I've built the second floor. But what does that actually get you? Well, outside it gets you even more orange windows, which once again continue around all four sides, and there's also a couple of fancy lights. Inside we are treated to another explosion of colour, and incredibly this floor includes the Dolores Umbridge on unicycle toy. More shelving units hold even more pranking products, and there is even a continuation of the sticky trainer wall from the floor below. Now it's time to combine the three floors together, and the shop is now looking absolutely amazing. The colourful stairs may have come to an end, but there's another floor to go. But you should know by now, if you want to see what's up there, then you're going to have to join me in part 4.